Hey guys, once again welcome back to Craftastic Forever, and today I'm gonna show you how to make your own slime out of just two ingredients, and one of them is already air dry clay, so it's super easy to make. And let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna take a little bit of air dry clay, or how much you like. Here I've got mine, which I did show in the previous video, so if you want, check it out. So this is our air dry clay. I did soften it a lot more before. So you want to do is take some water. Our second ingredient is just water, guys. So take water and you want to mix a little by little each minute. You mix a little, then mix even more, so that you can get this fluffy kind of texture. And you mix and keep mixing and kneading it so that the texture changes and it becomes softer. And it's your wish how much soft you want to make it. Now I'm gonna soften this and show you. Okay, so I just softened this up, and as you can see, ta-da! So this is literally just made out of water and air dry clay. As you can see, it's still a little stiff. You can even add more water if you like, but this is the consistency I like. So just like so, and it's super pretty. It literally looks like cotton candy. I really like this, and I just experimented this like a day ago, so that's why I am recommending this technique, because mostly everyone is just fake, and on YouTube they do show some fake videos. So don't go with fake stuff, and you can easily make your own slime with just easy 2 steps. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you like it, and I'll see you next time. So take care, stay creative, and stay sweet. Bye bye.